Hi everyone, welcome back to LEXI'S where today I'm making some salmon. The salmon is all cleaned and I have it in some vinegar and some lemon, right? Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, stuff like that, all right? So I'm gonna wash it up and I'm gonna bake it in the oven this time, and then I'm just, after I put it to bake, I cleaned the carrots already. I have 3 carrots. I'm gonna use a red pepper and a yellow pepper. I'll use 1 onion and maybe 1 or 2 Scotch Bonnet, all right? So let's get started. So I'm gonna clean out, wash out the salmon, and then I'm gonna season it up, all right? So I have the seasoned salt. So I use half of a tablespoon of the seasoned salt. Half of a tablespoon of onion powder. So I have a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, so basically this is like seasoning. So it's like celery, onions, green onions, all kinds of garlic and everything grind up, and it's in this. I use 2 tablespoons, okay? Just to give it like the seasoning properly, alright? I'll get into a video about this green seasoning on a different day. So I'll use some salt, but I'm gonna use the sea salt. So it's about a half of a teaspoon. If you don't have the green seasoning, you can just like blend it up. You can blend up an onion, celery, green onion, garlic, ginger, and some Scotch Bonnet pepper and thyme, and then just throw it over your salmon. And if you don't, that's still okay. You don't have to have it, all right? So the salmon is all seasoned. I'm gonna let it sit for a little 10 minutes and then start putting it on. So this is the pan I'm gonna use to bake it in. I just use some wax paper in the pan. It's a non-stick pan, but I kind of like my wax paper in there. I have virgin olive oil spray. I'm gonna spray the pan, okay? Okay. I have my oven preheating on 350, and I'm gonna just put the fish over. And you see what I did in between the fish? I cut it and I stuffed the seasoning also in here, okay? I'm gonna put just a bit more black pepper in there. So the salmon is all ready. I'm gonna just put it in the oven and let it bake for a bit, all right? So while the salmon is in the oven, I'm gonna start with the vegetables. Let me start with my carrots first, okay? I'm gonna use 1 onion. So I have the red pepper, it's all washed and clean. And I have a yellow pepper. I'm gonna cut them up, okay? I have one Scotch Bonnet, but you don't have to use one. I recommend you use half of it. I'll just use half too, just so we on the same tip here. Nah, I'll use one. My fish is almost done. The fish is finished. I'm gonna do the vegetables. I'm gonna use some virgin olive oil. Okay. I have this is 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna use 3 tablespoons. Okay. I added the carrots and the hot salt and the hot peppers. This is a tablespoon of the green seasoning that I had. Okay. I have a half of a teaspoon of the seasoning salt. Okay. I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Put 1 Maggi in there. Touch of onion powder. And just a little touch of Old Bay. I have my peppers, red and yellow. Put up 1 more tablespoon of the vinegar, just white vinegar. This is a salmon, nice and moist. Yeah. So I cook it for about half an hour, and then I put it on broil, and I broil it for a bit, and then I turn it, nice and moist. After I put the onions and the carrots and stuff, I cover it for about 5 minutes so that it can soak into the food. So there it is. Alright. I hope you enjoy my video. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share on my video. Thank you.